Today we're going to be talking about the SDAIE strategy of word webbing. Word webbing is an important tool that English language learners can use to help them better organize and understand learning content. So what is a word web? A word web is a graphic organizer. It is a list of terms and concepts that are connected through lines and arrows. So how can you make one? First, in a center circle, you can write a topic or main idea. In surrounding circles, you can write definitions and characteristics. These are then connected back to the main circle using lines or arrows. So why should we use a word web? A word web is primarily used to increase a student's vocabulary, and this can be done in two ways. First, a teacher can pre-teach vocabulary at the beginning of a lesson or a unit. A teacher could also pre-teach vocabulary before reading a story. If a story has a lot of large words that the students will not understand, it is helpful to teach the students the meaning of these words before reading the story. This will help improve students' reading comprehension. Vocabulary can also be taught using a word web at the end of a lesson, or a unit, or at the end of a story. This allows a student to review what these words mean and to clarify any misconceptions. Word webs can also be used as a brainstorming technique before writing a paragraph or an essay. Students can write the writing topic in the center circle, and then in surrounding circles include supporting details or topics that they will use in their writing assignment. This will help the students organize their thoughts and understand exactly what they're going to be writing about. Word webs can also be used to introduce new topics before a lesson or a unit, or to review content at the end of a lesson or a unit. This can help students prepare for a test or writing assignment. So when should word webbing take place? Teachers can use word webs anytime throughout a lesson or a unit. It can be used at the beginning in order to introduce vocabulary or topics. It can be used in the middle to review or clarify any misconceptions, or it can be used at the end to review or prepare students for a writing assignment through brainstorming. Word webbing can be used in many different groups. First, it can be used in whole class instruction. The teacher can work with the students to create a word web. Small groups can also work to create their own word web. Each group can use a different topic or something that they learned in a lesson and work through their own word web. This will have to be done after they see the teacher model how to create a word web. Finally, students can work independently to create their own word web. This is primarily used in order to brainstorm for their own writing assignment. Students can work individually to create exactly what they would like their writing assignment to be about. What are the benefits of word webbing? Word webbing has many different benefits. First, it is used to organize information. This is especially helpful for English language learners as they're able to clearly identify what the main topics and supporting points of a lesson are. It is also used to connect to other content areas and for students to use prior knowledge. Students are able to use familiar words and familiar content in order to learn unfamiliar words and unfamiliar content. Students can also draw on previous experiences and knowledge to add to the word web. This is especially helpful for English language learners because they are able to feel confident and comfortable participating in the creation of a word web. Word webs are also used to organize writing, as seen through the brainstorming. Also, word webbing can be used to improve reading comprehension. Because word webbing is primarily used in order to increase vocabulary, this also helps students improve their reading comprehension. As students learn more words, see them used in context, and learn new synonyms for these words, they're better able to understand what they're reading, which improves their reading comprehension. Finally, word webbing is very beneficial for students, especially English language learners, because it is a visual aid. Students are able to visually see the content as they create a word web. Thank you.